this video, I'll show you how to run TikTok ads for your Shopify store in the USA. So if you're ready to boost your store's visibility and drive more sales through short form video marketing, this is the guide for you. So first, let's head over to the business TikTok or the TikTok Business Center account. So this is the TikTok for Business account. So once logged in, set your business name in here and just business of yours. For example, if you're an advertiser or an agency, so like this, whatever describes your business. But in this case, we're going to choose this advertiser just to give you all an example. And then for the country or region, select the United States or whatever country you are in. And then after that, enter your company name in here, your full legal name. For example, Links Creation. Creation. And then after that, um, business name, you type it by links creation. And then for the time zone, it sets automatically to Eastern Standard Time. And then after that, choose your currency. Could be Euro or Hong Kong dollar or USD. It's up to you. So after that, click this create button and wait for it to load up. So in your Shopify admin, so let's head over to the Shopify. So this is the Shopify. So as you can see, I'm not yet logged in here. So let's assume that we are logging in here because they require users or first-time users to avail their plan first in order to access the admin dashboard. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect and what to do. So after that, after logging in here, you'll be redirecting to the Shopify admin dashboard, and then after that, go to the apps and then Shopify App Store and then search for TikTok and then click the add app and then install it. So connect your TikTok business account, TikTok Pixel and ad account, and then follow the steps to sync your products and install the tracking pixel. So this setup will help you run smarter, optimize ads based on store activity. So now let's get uh to the TikTok.com. So after that, um log in using your TikTok business credentials in here, and then you can now click the create new campaign and choose your objective. So it could be conversions, traffic, or a video views. So set your budget and campaign a name, then click continue. And then after that, in the section, you'll see there a select conversions and make sure your TikTok pixel is connected. So choose your target audience, US space by interest, behavior, age, gender, etc. So set your placement, let TikTok auto place or just manually, and then after that, choose your schedule and budget limits. So now create an actual ad content. You can now create that. So choose the ad format. It could be single video. This is the most common. And then upload your videos, 15 to 30 seconds, vertically format recommended, and then write a caption and add a call to action like shop now, and then paste your Shopify product or landing page URL. So TikTok even offers a video creation tool inside Ads Manager to help you design quick, mobile-friendly ads. So click submit after that to publish your ad, and then once approved by TikTok, your ad will go live. So to track performance, go to the TikTok Ads Manager under the campaign dashboard. So view key metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per result. So you can also track conversion directly in Shopify marketing if your pixel is properly connected. And that's how you run TikTok ads for your Shopify store in the USA. So this method is powerful for reaching younger audiences, showcasing your brand, and generating real traffic and sales. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.